Hello bachcho, this is the question from the solid state topic. So what is that question? See, which of the following crystal does not exhibit, here we have to read it carefully, does not exhibit Frankel defect. तो यहाँ पे 4 solids they have given, or we can say that 4 crystals are they have given, and we have to identify which one do not show or which one does not show the Frankel defect. So firstly we should know that what is mean by that Frankel defect. Frankel defect. So I will tell you here its concept as well as why they are not showing. तो यहाँ पे देखो Frankel defect. Here this defect is shown by ionic solids. Shown by ionic solids, or we can say that ionic crystals. This is the first important thing. For this one, there is a large difference, means there is a one condition, that is the large difference in the size of cation and anion is required. So we can say that size of anion should be greater than size of cation. This is the another one important condition. What is that? There should be large difference in between the size of cation and anion. Next one, in that Frankel defect, ions, either cation or anion, ions leave their original place, original place and occupy, or we can say that fit in the interstitial site. In case of these examples, first thing is that large difference is required, and here another one important thing is that alkali metal containing crystals, alkali metal containing ionic crystal does not exhibit Frankel defect. Why? If we consider the metal ions, alkali metal ions, they do not fit in the interstitial site, and that is the reason these alkali metal ions, or we can say that alkali metal containing crystals, do not show this Frankel defect. And if we observe here, silver bromide, silver chloride, potassium bromide, that potassium, it comes under the alkali metal. So here if example instead of KBr they have given that LiCl, NaCl or KBr, then they do not exhibit or they do not show the Frankel defect. So our answer is option C. So in this way we have completed this question with correct answer as well as with the explanation. Thank you all of you.